I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and this morning it's just so pretty outside. I wanted to come out and just record just a little bit of my garden that's right here behind me. Also, I wanted you to be able to hear the birds. They're out here singing this morning. It just makes me happy to hear all the birds singing, and I'm going to try my best to get some video of the hummingbirds out on the front porch of our house. And so wish me luck on this, and we'll see if we can get some hummingbirds today. These are my tomato plants, and they're really looking good this morning, and I do have a few yellow blooms, so maybe we'll start having some tomatoes very soon. These are some of the tomato plants that the deer ate the tops off of, but they're still living and they are growing a little bit, so we'll keep an eye on them. Just want to do a quick update on the tomato plants. I've got my SJ cam, model SJ5000, set up to record this. Hopefully, if I can get a hummingbird, I'm going to try to slow it up and do a slow motion video. Okay, we're going to try to record this again, and this time I'm using my new Canon camera, and we're going to see how it works. Give it a thumbs up. Hopefully it works good, and I can hear all the birds out here singing this morning. All the birds are happy, so hopefully we'll get a good video of the hummingbirds. Well, that was really quick. The hummingbird must have been sitting in the tree watching me, because just as soon as I went in the door, he came right up to the feeder. This is my experiment with slow motion. Hopefully it worked out pretty good. Let me know in the comments how you like this, and everyone have a great day.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here